How do I discover the SSID of my Wi-Fi network?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to talk about how to discover the SSID of your Wi-Fi network. This is important information you need to know when you're setting up a new device, troubleshooting your internet connection, or enhancing your home network security. Let's dive right into it.
What is an SSID?
SSID, or Service Set Identifier, is the name assigned to your Wi-Fi network. When you want to connect a device to your Wi-Fi, you typically select this name from a list of available networks. Sometimes, it's necessary to know exactly what your network's SSID is. Let's move on to find out how you can discover your Wi-Fi network's SSID.
Finding the SSID via a connected device.
If you already have a device, like a smartphone, tablet, or computer, connected to the Wi-Fi network in question, you can use it to discover the SSID. Here's how. On Windows, 1. Right-click on the Wi-Fi symbol in your system tray, bottom right corner of the screen. 2. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. 3. Click on Wi-Fi on the left-hand side, then click on Hardware Properties. 4. Your network's SSID will be listed next to Network SSID. On macOS, 1. Click on the Wi-Fi symbol in your menu bar, top right corner of the screen. 2. The name listed at the top of the drop-down menu is your network's SSID. On Android, 1. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. 2. Long press on the Wi-Fi symbol. 3. Your network's SSID will be listed under Connected to SSID. On iOS, 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap on Wi-Fi. 3. The name next to the checkmark is your network's SSID.
Finding the SSID via your router's settings.
If you don't have a device currently connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can find the SSID in your router's settings. Please note that the exact steps might vary depending on your router's brand and model. 1. Connect your computer to the router using an Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, typically something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. 3. Log in using the router's credentials, found in the router's manual or on a sticker on the router itself. 4. Navigate to the wireless settings. Your network's SSID should be listed there. And that's it, folks. With these simple steps, you now know how to discover the SSID of your Wi-Fi network. Whether you're connecting a new device or troubleshooting your connection, this knowledge can be very handy. As always, we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips.